A query from a lead comes in on my WhatsApp and automatically towards the lead, a reply is forwarded by an AI assistant. Yes, we can create these amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using the amazing application that is Pabbly Chatflow. So hello everyone, I am an owner of a spa and a salon business, and over here I receive multiple queries from my leads on WhatsApp. Now replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time consuming part. So to solve the problem, I have created this amazing AI agent. Over here, as I have created this agent, whenever by any of the leads or customers I receive any of the queries on WhatsApp related to my salon or spa, automatically this AI assistant is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create this amazing assistant for your business as well, I am going to take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. First of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing AI assistant for my salon and spa business is going to work in real time. Okay, so this is the bot that I have created, and towards this bot I will type a message. I need help. Okay, I'm going to send this message, and as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds this AI assistant is going to send me a reply. So I'll wait over here, and you can see in front of you I've received the reply. Of course, what do you need help with? I'm here to assist you. Okay, so I will ask another question. What are the services that you provide? Okay, I'm going to send this question, and I'll wait for this AI assistant to automatically reply. And you can see I've received the reply for the message. Glamville Salon and Spa offers a variety of services: hair service, skincare, facials, body treatments, spa and massage, nail care and makeup services. Okay, so you can see I have received this message. Now I want to know the prices. So I'm going to write over here prices and send this message. As soon as I will do that, I'll wait for the reply. And you can see I've received the reply with the prices of all these services. Okay, you can see the prices are mentioned. I want to know the address of the salon, so I'm going to ask for the address of your salon in Bhopal. I'm going to ask this question towards this bot. It says our salon in Bhopal is located at New Town, Bhopal. If you need further assistance or direction, feel free to ask. Okay, you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my questions one by one. So this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. Now let us create this AI assistant step by step in this video. For that, I will be using Pabbly Chatflow. So on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And as I'm going to do that, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear. So if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more Pabbly Chatflow's feature. But if you're an existing user, you have to sign in from here. So I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right here. And then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear. Now over here, what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing software using which businesses can send and manage WhatsApp conversations very easily and efficiently. You can add multiple WhatsApp numbers under one roof of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply add the WhatsApp number from this button, where you will find two options to add your number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn both of the tutorials of how you can connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, you will find the link of the videos in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the descriptive videos in the description box below, where we have explained how all the features work. Okay, so now as we are going to create an AI assistant, on the left side of the panel we have received this option AI assistant. Click on it, and then you will land towards the AI assistant page of your Pabbly Chatflow account, where you will find the total number of AI assistant active and the inactive AI assistant. Now to create a new AI assistant, for that click on this Add AI Assistant button right over here, and firstly we have to name our assistant. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as Automate Salon and Spa Queries on WhatsApp with AI Assistant, and add it from here. Okay, and as soon as I'm going to do that, an AI assistant is going to be created. it. Now firstly, the AI assistant is distributed into multiple sections, you can see right over here. So we are going to fill all the details in these sections separately. Firstly, it is asking for the AI instructions. For the instruction type, I will be using the AI agent because I want to create an AI agent. You can select the other AI types according to your requirement. Now according to the type that we have selected, the instructions are going to be mentioned right here. These are the automated instructions. This is going to be automatically there. But if you want to add more points over here in the instruction list, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Okay. Now next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Now temperature. Over here the temperature lies between 0 and 1. Okay. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. I want a reply to be generated in between 0 and 1. So I'm going to select the temperature over here as 0.5. that will be more focused, and creative, it will be in the middle. Okay. Next is select AI to use. I will be generating the replies using OpenAI, so I'm going to select OpenAI. For the model, I will be using GPT-4o mini, but if you want to use any other models, you can definitely select it according to your requirement. Now we have to provide the API key. Now we will receive this API key in our OpenAI account that we want to connect with this AI assistant. Now to have the key, go towards this hyperlink given here below in the help desk, and you will land towards the OpenAI API keys page. Now let us generate a new key. For that, click on this create new secret key button. For the name of the key over here, I'm going to give it as AI assistance project. I'll select over here default, permissions and all, and then click on this create secret key button, and the key is generated. Copy this key from here, paste it in this field, and click on the connect button, and the key is successfully added in this AI assistant. Okay, in this manner you can connect your OpenAI account with this AI assistant. Let's move forward. Now next over here it says AI assistant settings. If you want a header message, you can toggle this button on. If you want a footer message, you can toggle this button on. If you want stop keywords, so now let me toggle this button on right over here. What are stop keywords? So let's suppose a customer or lead ask a question towards this AI assistant. Now they don't want any help. They want to stop the AI assistant that is working. For that, you can add some keywords over here in the field that is going to automatically stop the AI assistant. So let's suppose I will enter a word stop and press the enter key to save the keyword. In this manner, you can enter as many keywords you want according to your requirement right over here. Okay. So now these are the stop keywords. You can add as many as you want. Okay. Now next is retry attempt. If you want to give other attempts, you can select the retry attempt over here. You have to toggle this button on. Next is fallback message. Now what is this message? This message is going to be forwarded in the condition if this key that we have entered right over here has any errors or is not responding. Then this AI assistant is going to send the fallback message towards the customer or the lead. Okay, so this message is only going to be forwarded under a condition if this API key is not working and we are not receiving a response from our AI. Okay, now this is how you set up AI instruction step under the first section. Let's move on to the next one, that is knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is an information using which this AI assistant is going to reply to our leads or customers according to the queries and our business rules, regulations or services. So over here I have created a knowledge base for my salon and spa. You can see this is the name. I have given a brief instruction of what my salon is about and spa is about right over here. What are the benefits, what are the policies, what are the pricing plans. You can see service in the areas are professionals, service and pricing. You can see I have mentioned each and everything right over here with all the other details. Now over here I will tell you one thing. Now this AI assistant that we are creating is going to send the reply towards our customers or leads using this knowledge base. Whatever you're going to add in this knowledge base, using that data, the AI assistant is going to send the replies. So you have to create a knowledge base according to your business requirements, and then using that base only the AI assistant is going to reply. I have created this test base right over here just for showing you how knowledge base is actually there. Okay, and you can create more bigger or more briefed knowledge base according to your requirement. I have just created this one, and we are going to upload this knowledge base over here. For that, simply click on this button right over here. This is my knowledge base. I'm going to upload it. Okay, you can upload it in a PDF format, or you can upload it in a TXT format according to your requirement. If you are uploading the PDF format, there is no limit of pages, but if you are uploading PDF, and in PDF there are images, there is only a limit of 10 pages. Okay, so now you can see this source is uploaded, and how you can confirm it. If you will receive this vector ID, this means the source is successfully uploaded. Okay, now let's move on to our next section, that is assistant interface. Now firstly over here, this is the assistant interface. This is the type of assistant that you can see on your website. You can add this on your website, and how it will be visible to all your customers or leads on your website. Okay, for adding the brand name, you can add the brand name from here. My business name is Glamwell Salon and Spa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the brand name over here as Glamwell Salon and Spa. Okay, you can see it is updated. If you want to change this line, you can add this line right over here. If you want to change the initial message, you can change the initial message. You can also add 2 initial messages according to your requirement. Now if you want this powered by Pabbly logo, you have to enable disable according to your requirement. If you want to add a hyperlink footer right over here like this, you can add the footer text with the link right here. Now users first message I have selected as I need help. You can select other messages according to your requirement. So I have added the assistant interface. Now our last section is left, that is styling. If you want to change any of the colors according to your brand, you can definitely do that from this section, where you can change the theme, the shape, the colors, the pictures and the backgrounds, okay, according to all your requirements. So I want the same one, so I'm going to skip it right here. Now to activate this bot, in order to start this AI assistant that we are creating, we have to toggle this button on. Okay, that is mandatory. If you're not going to toggle it on, this AI assistant is not going to be activated. Okay, now to save this AI assistant that we are creating, we are going to click on the save AI assistant button, and the AI assistant is successfully created in our Pabbly Chatflow account. See how simple it was. Now if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, simply go to this embedded option, and you will find the script. Copy the script from here and add it on your website code, and this AI assistant is automatically going to be added. Okay, so now we are going to test whether this AI assistant is automatically replying or not. For that, I'm going to send a message towards this AI assistant on my WhatsApp and check whether I'll receive the reply automatically or not. So let me open my WhatsApp, and you can see right over here, this is my AI assistant. I will write a message over here to this AI assistant as I need help. Okay, I'm going to send this message, and as soon as I forwarded this message, I'll wait over here for a few seconds for this reply. It says, sure thing, how can I assist you today? For the message over here, I will ask over here, do you have any monthly plans? Okay, I'm going to send this message, and as soon as I've done that right over here, I'll wait over here for a few seconds. And I've received this reply, yes, we offer several membership plans, silver package, golden package and platinum package with the price and all these stuff. Okay, let me ask one another question right over here. What are the benefits of your business? I'm going to send this message over here, and I'll wait for the reply over here. And you can see I've received the reply. Here are some benefits of choosing Glamwell Salon and Spa Experience Professional, high quality products, hygiene environment. You can see I've received this message. So as you can see, this bot is automatically replying to all my questions and queries. This is how this bot is going to work for your customers or leads as well in real time. And as we are receiving the reply, this means the AI assistant is successfully created using Pabbly Chatflow. So now whenever you will receive any of the queries on your WhatsApp through your leads or customers, this bot is there 24/7 to help them and automatically resolve all the questions that your customers or leads have. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue in Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link. If you want to try your own test bot today with Pabbly Chatflow, you can do it absolutely for free, as we provide 100 free credit points. So go and check out Pabbly Chatflow today.